Hey fans, welcome back to Subi Tech. Luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind are featured in this video. We dive deep into the world of high-end RVs, showcasing the most incredible designs, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort that these mobile homes have to offer. Whether you're planning a road trip or dreaming of living on the road, these luxurious motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in style. From opulent interiors to smart home features, each motorhome is a masterpiece of modern engineering. When it comes to Class B van conversions, Roadtrek is a top leader in the industry. Known for their high quality and functional designs, Roadtrek vans offer everything you need for a comfortable and fun travel adventure, all in a compact, easy-to-maneuver package. Don't be fooled by their size. These cleverly designed vans come with cozy sleeping areas with smart storage solutions, compact yet efficient kitchens with all the appliances you need, and functional bathrooms with all the essentials. Roadtrek vans are perfect for couples or solo travelers who value fuel efficiency and want to explore narrow roads and hidden spots that larger RVs can't reach. While some people are busy chopping carrots with the hood of the Tesla Cybertruck, others are finding creative business opportunities with it. Take the California startup Space Campus, for example. They've designed a detachable camping module that turns the Cybertruck into a motorhome. Based on what customers want, this module can include features like a shower, insulation, solar panels, a projector, and more. The price for this amazing add-on? About $26,000. When it comes to luxury horse transport, the STX Horsebox Volvo sets the standard for safety and comfort. Built on a Volvo FH chassis, it can transport up to 8 horses and includes features like leather upholstery, automatic transmission, front and rear cameras, and a horse area monitor. For added convenience, it also has a back entrance door and a skylight. The cost of a new STX Horsebox Volvo varies based on the model and features. For instance, a Volvo FM STX 6-horse pop-out truck is priced at around $225,000 before VAT, or $281,200 including 25% VAT. A used Volvo STX from 2009 costs about $160,000. Around £118,730. This horsebox is the ideal solution for expert riders needing reliable and luxurious transportation for their horses. One of the most luxurious RVs available is the Vulner Performance, offering top-notch driving dynamics, safety, and enjoyment on a 12 meters route. Inside, you can customize features to your taste, including a full kitchen, 2 40-inch TVs, real wood accents, marble countertops, and a separate bathroom with a shower. This RV also boasts an innovative central garage to discreetly transport your preferred vehicle. With ample photovoltaic equipment, large tank volumes, and significant battery capacities, it can be entirely self-sufficient. Instead of a standard sofa, the front living room features a day bed, a Burmester stereo system, and a wine locker, creating a unique sense of space and cozy ambience. The Vulner Performance is a true marvel of technology and aesthetics. The Sky Dancer Cabrio is redefining road travel with its unique design. Built on a popular Fiat Ducato chassis, this one-of-a-kind motorhome features a 2-level design with a 360-degree surround view cabin. It separates the elevated driving compartment from the lower living area, offering an unparalleled travel experience. Its contemporary, minimalist exterior and practical interior set it apart from traditional motorhomes. Instead of conventional living room furniture, the Sky Dancer Cabrio opts for a modern, stylish approach. For added comfort and versatility, customers can choose from 3 different bed designs at the back. Starting at €196,500. The base model includes a 2.2 litres turbo diesel engine with 140 to 180 pounds. Available with either 6 manual or 9 automatic gears. The Sky Dancer Cabrio truly elevates the motorhome experience. The Mercedes RVR Millo Conqueror T223 is a marvel of engineering and luxury, representing the flagship model from China's heavy-duty, all-terrain RV lineup. This game-changing off-road caravan features the world's first side-opening space expansion method, boosting the living area from 20 square meters to an impressive 25.5 square meters. The Conqueror T223 is not just about space. It's about comfort and luxury. It includes 2 50-inch TVs for indoor and outdoor viewing, a high-end Bose sound system, and a terrace area equipped with a German MAA grill for effortless outdoor cooking. The interior is warm and inviting with soft color tones, replacing the usual cold hues. It offers 2 separate sleeping areas, each with a double bed, ensuring a comfortable and cozy rest. Maram Coach 1379, a family-owned company founded in 1983, is the world leader in luxury motorhomes. With over 1,375 unique motorhomes crafted, each vehicle includes almost every imaginable modification, many of which are industry-patented amenities. Renowned for their custom-designed luxury bus conversions, corporate coaches, and specialty vehicles, Maram Coach's Prevost bus conversions are handcrafted works of art. These vehicles offer superior mechanical features, outstanding engine performance, and exceptional road dynamics. Whether you opt for a new or pre-owned coach, you can expect state-of-the-art technology and luxurious accommodations. With a Maram Coach, you get mobility without compromise, making it your home away from home. The Mobil home isn't just a vehicle, it's a multifunctional marvel. Serving as a residence for the team, a workshop for mechanics, and a display area for sponsors, this advanced machine can conquer any terrain, from the smooth roads of France to the rugged gravel of Kansas. Equipped with everything the crew needs, it features the generator, power washer, water pump, and a professional-grade sound system. Inside, it's a cozy and inviting space with a kitchen, coffee maker, and lounge area for relaxation. The EF Procycling Truck is the ultimate bike truck, and it can be yours for just $199,999.